Hello all my viewers around the globe, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert BTC into BUSD. So just stick with me until the very end. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Sima Crypto. With that said, let's dive straight into the video. So once you're here, you come on trade and you click on Binance Convert. So once you're on Binance Convert, you come straight where there is from, it's where you want your money from. So you will select here the coin where you want your money to be from. So suppose your money is in BUSD. So you will select first of all BUSD and you come down here where you want your money to be or to go. Then you select the coin that is BTC. So once you are done, automatically you will first select the amount that you want to convert from BUSD to BTC. So you will select preview the conversation. So if you're okay with the amount that you're going to get in BTC and this is the amount, then this is what you will receive in BTC. Automatically you click here. Unfortunately right now I have a sufficient amount, that's why it can't be converted. But if you are done, that's all. So alternatively, suppose your money is in BTC and you want it in BUSD. You come here where there is from, you put there BTC. Then here you put the coin where you want it. That is BUSD. So automatically you put here like 10 BTCs. Then you click on preview conversation. This is the amount that I'm going to get in BUSD. This is the amount that I had in BTC. So this is what I will receive in BUSD and there is no fees. So once you are done with that, you click here and automatically your money will be there. So that's all for today. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Sima Crypto. Bye for today and good luck.